So here's my daughter's 2017 Sport. So today is July the 3rd, tomorrow's July the 4th. So I'm going to spend the day with her and friends as they come and go over the next 2 days, turning hers from a little Jeep. So here we have my daughter's, and it's just a little Sport, but we're going ahead and spend the next couple of days here and get a lift on it. We're going to put a 3.5-inch rock crawler on it. She just wants 35s. She needs to get some rock slide engineerings on there. I already posted those up a while back where I redid them. She'll get fenders later. And yeah, so she wants to be looking up in the air like that. Well, not that extreme, but Pegasus has 4.5-inch lift, 3-link front and rear X Factor from Rock Krawler. But yeah, she's only 5 foot tall, just like the wife. Hence why I have the rock slide engineerings on there in the first place. And she'll be running Dirty Life rims, Mickey Thompson ATZ P3s. Yeah, Fox Skocks, the whole rock crawler kit with the Fox Skocks. And yeah, I'll start loading that up tomorrow with some pictures and videos. But at the moment, this is how it sits. All right, I'm out. So this is how it was when it started on the rack at the shop on July the 3rd. And we just kind of got her racked up in the tranny land, got her Dirty Life rims out, and started getting those set up. Doing the whole tear down on her on her Sport. It's not a Rubicon, so she's got the 30 front and the 44 rear. She doesn't want to go crazy and beat hers up on the rocks like I take mine out on. Everybody else does, but she wants to have wants the ability, but she doesn't want to actually do it because she doesn't want to scratch it. And here we got Vinny, one of my mechanics. He was sitting there, helped set it up. A couple of guys stopped by during the day. We're just kind of looking at the kit. Here's my youngest, Brianna. Go ahead and check in the arm. She had to do all the adjustments and set everything out. And so this is all parts from the rock crawler kit. And we're just tearing it down. I can usually do one of these kits in a day. And it's, I've done several of these kits. Here we've already got the arms going on, springs going in, and the Fox Skocks going on there with the dual reservoir setup. And I know my videos kind of skip back and forth a little bit because they're just kind of screen captures and pictures. But I wanted to keep it for my documentation purposes and for Bree, with what we did to her Jeep. And so I never got around to posting anything all of last year except for a few pictures here and there and all around. So, but the high step arms, they come up. There's my buddy Nick, or Moose Knuckle if you look him up on TikTok. He's got his own Jeep all built out with a rock crawler kit on it also. Here we have the Jeep getting ready to mount and balance some tires. Here I am, my bald head stuck there spinning on the tires. Bree setting the center cap, getting the center cap back off. Here she is.
And
go home.
Rolling out the Jeep for the first time.
Her test drive.
you got to get her out, get her to settle, so we can get her on the alignment rack.
Go.
She's gonna be a little noisy because it's loose.
Yeah.
Feel taller?
That's one. Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. Clunk, clunk, clunk. I think my track bar is loose. Now over to line her up for the alignment bay.
Feels good. Feels good. Now the only thing is once I get out of this, I'm not getting back in until I got my steps on.